Imagine you're looking for a bank that doesn't have brick-and-mortar branches, offers a wide range of financial services, and is easy to use. You've probably heard about Tide. But what exactly is it? Is Tide a virtual bank? Let's dive into that question and explore what Tide really is and what it offers. What is a virtual bank? Before we get into Tide, let's clarify what a virtual bank is. A virtual bank, also known as a neobank, is a digital-only financial institution that operates entirely online. Unlike traditional banks, they don't have physical branches. Instead, they provide their services through mobile apps, websites, and ATMs. Virtual banks offer a range of financial products and services, including current accounts, savings accounts, loans, and credit cards. They often have lower fees, faster account opening processes, and more flexible features than traditional banks. Tide, a closer look. Now, let's talk about Tide. Is it a virtual bank? Well, in many ways, it is. Tide is a digital-only banking platform that offers a variety of financial services for small businesses and freelancers. Tide's features include Business Current Account. This is the core product of Tide. It offers features like instant transfers, multi-currency accounts, and integrated accounting tools. Credit cards. Tide provides business credit cards with competitive interest rates and rewards. Overdrafts. For businesses that need short-term financing, Tide offers overdraft facilities. Business loans. Tide can also provide loans to businesses for various purposes, such as expansion or equipment purchases. Is Tide a traditional bank? While Tide operates as a virtual bank, it's important to note that it's not a traditional bank in the strictest sense. Tide doesn't have a banking license itself. Instead, it partners with traditional banks to provide its services. This means that Tide doesn't hold your money directly. Your funds are held by the partner bank, which is regulated by the appropriate authorities. This ensures that your money is safe and protected. The benefits of Tide. Using Tide offers several benefits, including convenience. Tide is accessible from anywhere with an internet connection, making it easy to manage your finances on the go. Efficiency. Tide's digital platform is designed to be efficient and user-friendly, saving you time and effort. Cost-effectiveness. Tide often offers lower fees and charges compared to traditional banks. Innovation. Tide is at the forefront of financial technology, offering innovative features and services. Is Tide right for you? Whether Tide is the right choice for you depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you're a small business owner or freelancer looking for a convenient, efficient, and cost-effective banking solution, Tide could be a great option. However, it's important to consider your individual circumstances and compare Tide's offerings with other options available in your market. So, to answer the original question, is Tide a virtual bank? Yes, in many ways it is. Tide is a digital-only banking platform that offers a range of financial services for small businesses and freelancers. While it doesn't have a traditional banking license, it partners with regulated banks to ensure the safety of your funds. Tide's convenience, efficiency, and cost-effectiveness make it a compelling option for many people. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.